our 16th birthday, and we wish everybody to live a very happy ever after. And here is our finale. 1, 2, 3, music. Teachers, all our parents, thank you all for coming. For order, we will be dismissing your children by classes. Parents, please wait for a while. We will be dismissing your children by classes. Children, just stay